How to fix Instagram photo uploading problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android or iOS phone. First restart your phone. This one might help you to fix your problem. Just click restart and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found your update, just click on it. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now go to Settings, Apps, and Apps again. This one for Android phones. Go to Instagram, click Force Stop, and then Storage and Clear Data. You will lose your account, but that will help you to fix your problem. And if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.